After finishing with the big training cycle, we can move to the sprint training cycle. At first, we need to make sure that the words are in their initial order. So if this button, the button Shuffle Words, is active, we need to turn it off. Then we choose two parallel pairs of words. For example, 1, 2, 21, 22 by clicking the number next to these words. We train these words using basic stations, passive iteration, grammar puzzles, and dialects. Firstly, we ask a student to read and translate these 4 words. After that, we are to mark either the left or the right side of grammar patterns. So if we worked with the right side last time, this time we are going to work with the left side. So we need to make grammar puzzles using these marked words and chosen clichés, so the clichés of the left side. For example, if I had fastened my seatbelt, I wouldn't have had troubles. If I hadn't hit my nail with a hammer, my finger wouldn't hurt now. Do you wish you had eaten more buckwheat in your childhood? What do you think? Is it healthy to eat oats? So you make grammar puzzles in the native language of the student. The last step is to make up questions using these words which correspond to the level of the particular student. For example, do you prefer oats to buckwheat? How often do you trim your nails? When was the last time you had to fasten your seatbelt, and so on? So the student needs to translate your questions and answer them. So we start working with the sprint training cycle when we have at least 7 sprints, starting with the 3rd sprint. When we have already worked with all words, we need to start all over again and having these words unmarked. For example, this sprint, all words have been marked, so we just unmark them and work with them again.